What's an average cost of a new
Well,
roof?
it really varies a lot,
Sure.
but certainly I would say in most cases in our area, you're looking somewhere between $18,000 and $30,000 in that market. There's higher end stuff, obviously, but Roof Maxx is going to save almost all homeowners at least 80 to 85% of the cost of a brand new roof. So maintenance is key. Manage the investment you already have. You've invested money in it, why not keep it going? And if you can put that cost of 10 to 15% or 15 to 20% of the cost of a brand new roof into keeping what you have, keep it going. It's environmentally friendly. You're keeping the shingles out of landfill prematurely. Just a little known thing, 90% of the asphalt shingles that get thrown into the landfill are thrown in prematurely because most roofers only have one thing to sell, and that's a new roof. So this is an option to that, and you can keep it going a lot longer and save yourself money and help the environment along the way too.